What's up, guys? So my name is Junior, and today we're on an airplane with Toadette. Hi, Toadette. What's up? We're on an airplane.
Yeah, we're on an airplane.
Whoa, what is
Also,
that?
why did my voice just change?
I'm not sure. This is our first time on United Airlines,
I
right?
know, we're
Hey,
up
right
around.
there it is. Where's your plug? In your bag, right?
I don't know where my...
Plug it in. You brought it. It's in your backpack. Thank you.
Yeah, but there's no love.
It's totally fine. I don't mind.
You put it right in your backpack.
I don't want to use it right now.
Thank you.
When you
Alright, guys, so we're now on the airplane. So you see a charger. Let me mess. Sorry about that, guys. My mask is falling off.
Oh, it's not. It's kind of wig. It's kind of loose.
Alright, guys, so this is the windows. You can see we're on United Express, and yeah.
Keeps unplugging me. It's not really.
So
I
you
was trying to get the grandma's
fasten the
house.
seatbelt, wall
Yeah,
seating,
but then that keeps unplugging itself.
life vest under your seat. So you guys,
And this
so this
thing
is the
is really,
plane.
and this thing's in the way, so I don't want to.
Alright, guys, so this is the plane. So
I
you
was
can
trying
see.
to get the grandma's house.
Yes.
Here's the wing, guys. Yeah, we're on the wing. He told it.
Good.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Can I charge my phone when we get to grandma's house?
absolutely. Or you can just plug it in and put it in there and not look at it.
Where are you,
But it's
Toadette?
not gonna even charge.
Toadette.
Let it just charge.
Toadette. Where are you, Toadette?
I don't know.
What's in the window? That's so
It's not-
cool,
it's
right?
gonna be loose.
Does it matter if it's loose?
Yeah, because it's not gonna charge.
Anything that's touching it, it'll charge.
Where's your pee-pee?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're recording at 2:22 now.
Chef
I'm putting it at the
pee-pee!
grandma's house. Let's plug it in away.
Where's your pee-pee at? Oh, your pee-pee's so scary.
Why does it bother you?
Your pee-pee's gonna be scaring me. Are we taking off now?
You know what? I'll plug it in.
Are we taking off now? Hey guys, I think taking off.
With my phone?
No.
Pee-pee, turkey, macaroni and cheese.
How do I turn this off? Is this a TV? How do I turn it off?
It's off.
Who's this guy under pressure?
Wait, hey, this is the first time on United Airlines, and it's 3 chairs.
Yeah, let's go.
So that's the airplane we're on, United Express.
This isn't for Express, bro.
Oh yeah, where's your beefy? I'm in the back, you brat. I'm gonna come out
said,
when we take. I'm gonna come out when we fully take off, okay? Because
I can't breathe right now. I'm running off oxygen.
look, I can't come out right now because we're gonna take off and then I'll come out, okay? Well, come out now. No, I'm staying in the back for now until we take off, and then I'll come out afterwards, okay? All right, Chef Beefy.
Okay, Chef Wiener.
Hey, Toadette.
Chef Wiener. Hey, Chef
I
Dickhead.
come here. I'm making a video.
Hey, Chef Dickhead.
I come here. I'm
Because my phone is dead, bro.
Stop what you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Stop it.
Where is this?
What the hell? Okay, I don't get a thing you're doing.
I should able to it.
Whoa, look at the luggage.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna run to the wing of the airplane.
This is the wing, see?
I'm gonna run to that.
Hey Mom. I'm nearest the wing, see? So that's United Airlines. What are you doing?
I'm running to the other wing of the airplane.
So we're on row 28. And the airplane goes all the way to the front.
Oh no, you're good.
I'm excited for the airplane ride. I've never been on an airplane before. Well, I mean,
Yeah, we haven't been on an airplane since like August.
Yeah, I think Tiger. No, Tiger was on the airplane. I
Good
wasn't.
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Travel on flight 260. We're on
Oh,
Tampa. On
wow.
behalf of the Bounce Back
Tampa.
Airport, I'd like to thank you for
We're going to Tampa, Florida.
Yeah.
What's that? Hey, oh my God! Where's the more
Oh.
YouTube videos?
Yeah, I want to see SML watch. Yeah, SML.
I'm missing out, bro.
Oh my God, Super Mario look good. SML watch it. Goodbye now, man.
Hey, this is so awesome. I'm so excited. This is gonna be fun, man. I haven't been on an airplane since like August. We're moving. Smoke trucks. Be quiet! I'm trying to make a video. Come on. Sorry guys, if there's crying in the background.
Yeah, this is a.
No, I didn't know. It's just airplanes have noises, you know. So it's not the baby's fault. It's life, I guess. No, actually, yeah. So we're starting to take off soon. Oh, I'm actually excited because United Wi-Fi. Wait, I think there's Wi-Fi or not. Look at that. I'm not sure. I think there's a
Ladies and
Wi-Fi.
gentlemen, we're almost ready to close the aircraft door. Once we do, we'll remove our seats with the
You cannot
seatbelt
hear
securely
through your
fastened. Seatbelts, the
headphones.
tray
Please
table
move
stowed.
them.
We'll be ready to close door.
What
Push
does
back
that
from the
mean?
gate. Please make sure that your cell phones are placed in the airplane or non-transit mode in the meantime. Flight attendants, army doors for departure. Cross-check. Stand by for alcohol.
We're going. We're starting.
I'm sorry to make you get up again. Sorry. No, just the one on the left.
We're taking off. It's 2:18. Yes.
Thank you so much. Sure.
Mom, don't say my name in the video. Mom, don't say my name in the video.
What do you mean?
I'm making the video.
You don't see your name in the video. Oh, don't say your name in the video. Sorry.
Exactly. Look at it. I didn't hear my name. We're starting. Well, there's an airplane over there.
They're all close besides down, close down right there.
We're going. We're starting.
Relax. Dali, hindi siya. Ako yung ulit na nga. Yung na.
Yep.
Yes. Going to get there. Is there before well with Guys, my face is gone. Dude, you're not talking.
What do you mean?
You're like quiet.
Because I wasn't in an airplane takeoff. I've never been on an airplane before.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Just deep, dark silence. Everything is going. Toda, what are you doing? You don't understand, do you? You don't get it. Yes, only. And then Jenny's like, what the? Wait.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Hey.
No.
Once again, good afternoon. Welcome aboard the United Flight 263 with service to Tampa International Airport. We're happy to have you traveling with us today. Special thanks to our
This
Miles
engineer
Plus
has no
members
face
for your
as well.
loyalty and to all customers for choosing
I know
fly
face,
with us.
guys.
Have a special
I don't know
welcome
what
for
you're
our
doing.
first-time flyers on
You
board
don't
today's
know.
flight.
What?
And at this time, we do ask
It's
for
not
your
me. It's Nathan, not me.
attention as we show you a very important safety video. Safety is always our top priority here at United, so please take a minute to review the safety card at your seat. And please pay attention even if you do fly frequently, as each aircraft type is different.
There's a video?
What is this?
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulations require us to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with most of the flight instructions.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle securely. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your waist. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft.
Whoa, there goes the airplane, guys.
This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in ceiling compartments in the board cabin.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool, right?
Yeah.
If needed, lifelines are located in the
Look, look.
aft overwing.
Yeah, I'm looking.
All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2
Hey,
exits,
hey, you can't hit a boy.
remember,
Yeah, girl.
they may be behind you.
I'm a boy.
It's just the wall.
Okay. What? Hi. Hello.
If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path
Yeah, I'm kidding you. Yeah. We got a fan, guys. We got a fan. Yeah. It's like a fan, guys.
refer to the safety card near your seat
That's a
for the
fan.
operation of the exit system of this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatory.
Yeah.
Take a strap of yours, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start to blow oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the strap. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Yeah.
If you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with the water activated light in a pouch under, between,
That's our seat. That's our seat, guys.
right, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If you're hesitant, remove the
We're
strap
gonna
from
take
the
a
pouch.
walk up in the air.
Remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate
Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with a fit light vest, which will be distributed if necessary. I have a bottle of it. Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and earrings to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food
We're taking off soon.
headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened.
We're moving.
Please place your personal items
We're moving.
At United, we're connected with uniting the world, doing it safe from all of us. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Thank you, video.
Ow.
You can keep moving. Dude, I'm scared, guys.
Don't be scared, idiot.
Yes, Pee-Pee.
I'm talking to you too.
I'm not scared. Junior. We're moving, guys.
Junior, there's a fan who wants to talk to you.
Yeah, I know. I just said hi. Hi.
Junior,
Hi.
talk to him.
I am. Just say hi. I didn't to talk to I like ponies. What are we doing? We're gonna take off soon.
What's your name? Aurora? What a pretty name.
We're gonna take off soon. This is gonna be so fun. I'm scared.
You said you're not scared, pussy. Shut up.
Guys, I'm excited.
You just said you.
I'm not scared.
He's like, oh, crap. Bad.
Taking up, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
This is our secret handshake.
Oh, we're by the wing, guys.
Junior, why do you want to be part of our secret handshake?
I want to see you to play takeoff first.
Okay, then.
Alright, we're gonna take off. We're backing up. We'll play with that. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
We're taking off. Hi. Hello. We're going. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did it in the air, okay?
Okay, it's our secret handshake.
I have the window. It is getting bigger.
Oh, yeah, here we go. How do you turn that on?
Movies on there.
Hey, come on, Godzilla.
It's getting so
All
loud.
the movies, and you have to scroll through. Scroll through.
Oh yeah, that. I'll see.
We're going. It's starting. It's starting, guys. It's
I
starting.
already see.
Different one, you can watch.
No.
There's like a million movies you can watch.
Hold on, it's starting, guys. It's
Can
starting.
you stop?
What?
Then
What about a Christmas Story?
no.
Oh, but it's starting.
Why do you keep pressing it? I don't want to watch it. I don't really want to watch it. Can I turn it to high time now?
It'll go up by itself.
And this video is a long video too.
Oh yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
We're taking off. Finally.
I see how I turn on. I just tap it.
The engine's getting bigger.
What is that?
The engine's getting bigger, guys.
What movie is that?
This is called The Big Short.
A Big Short.
I can't even hear my own thought. It's so loud. It's literally so loud.
Yeah.
You guys stop. I'm trying to do something here. Stop. If you can actually stop, please. Here it is. It's starting. Ah, my ears. My ears. My freaking ears. Oh my god. It's so loud.
Oh, I'm going deaf.
Take off. Come on. Whoa, but did you guys see that? The windows opened up. Back off! Take off, I want to see somebody. We're moving! We're finally moving. Here we go. We're moving. We're moving. Yeah, we're actually moving.
Stacks here. Mom, how do you have
snacks here?
What?
Are you gonna have snacks?
I think they do, yeah.
We're gonna take off.
Once we're in the air.
Here's some
Jeffrey.
things for the first timer.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Here.
Sweetheart, let me get a chance just to
It's my first time up here too.
What do you say, Emma? Just to talk about it's fantastic. Want a pair of wings for the baby?
Make sure it's safe, okay, Mom?
Yes, and I just want to go.
And there goes another airplane. It's starting, guys. It's starting. It's starting. I can see New York City. Mom. I can see New York City. Oh my God. Is somebody snoring?
Yeah.
Somebody's snoring. No, I'm making a video. Here's New York City.
Ladies and gentlemen, will be number 2 for departure. Flight attendants, please be seated.